Sir, I'm gonna need you to put your mask on.
Yeah, but I'm still drinking.
Okay, when you're done drinking, can you please put your mask on? Thank you. Sir, if you're done drinking, I'm gonna...
Yeah, but I'm still drinking.
Well, when you're done drinking, I need you to put your mask back on. Sir, it's time for you to put your mask on.
It's actually time for Charlie. I'm still drinking.
When you're done drinking, I need you to put your mask back on. All right, that is enough. What is going on here?
Having a wine tasting. I'm still drinking.